Next question from Prakash, who's writing in from Chikmagalur in Karnataka, and he's talking about RCF, Rashtriya Chemical Fertilizers, which he's bought at a price of 195, so slightly elevated levels that he's bought it at, and he's wondering what the prospects are going forward. I'll come to you, Ajit, on the charts. What are the prospects on the charts?
So Alex, after this sharp correction from the record highs from 240 to roughly around 110 levels, we are seeing gradual recovery. The stock has reclaimed major averages also on multiple time frames. So it seems stable now, but for his level to come means the stock should decisively break 160 level and hold above the same. Then only we can see, let's say, around 180, 85 levels. So once it reaches closer to his buying price, he should review his position or at least book partial losses and maintain a trading stop at 170.
Okay. Speaking of losses, this is quite a blow to take, and I'm talking about Protean eGov. And this is a question from our viewer Vipul Sheth, who's writing in from Ahmedabad. He's holding 100 shares at a price of 1306. The stock is down at lower circuit today, so no buyers in the stock, and so it's taking quite a bit of a beating. And the reason, of course, is that there has been a cancellation or no extension of a contract with the government of India for its PAN 2.0 project. It has sent out a statement. It said that it's no longer in contention for that project. It has been eliminated from the RFP race, and the government had plans to overhaul the PAN and TAN services under PAN 2.0 with a 1,440 crore budget. And despite earlier confidence, Protean is now completely out of the running. By the way, there's an Equirus note on the company. It says that this is a material negative as the PAN services contribute as much as 50% of the revenue of the company. FY26 impact may be muted, and it expects a 75 to 100% collapse in this revenue stream over the next 2 to 3 years, and a 35% decline in the FY27 overall revenue. So it's a material negative. Unfortunately, this has come out of the blue. It's not something that a lot of people would have anticipated. So the question is sort of, I would think that you would try and get out when you can. But what is the strategy that you would employ?
I think all the reasons you have clearly stated, Alex. In my opinion, I think the valuations will get a reset on the lower side, and there is much room for the stock price to go down. So I think as soon as you can get out from the stock, it would be better.
Okay. Is there any point, Ajit, asking you about technical levels? At this point, there are no buyers in the stock. So, but what strategy would you employ?
So, Alex, since listing, the stock has been trading in this band roughly around 1240 to 1450, 1480. And with this kind of a move, a gap down start followed by this down circuit, it has ended this consolidation on the lower side. So this is not a good indication. Means as per the range itself, probably close to around 950, 900 is something the stock might test in the days to come. So please avoid any bottom fishing as of now until we see any sign of reversal.
Yeah, okay. So that's advice for anybody that's looking at the price downtick and wondering whether or not to buy. This is the definition of a falling knife, and avoid at all costs at this juncture till some clarity emerges, as Ajit has pointed out.